Welcome back to another episode of vidIQ Shorts. 60 seconds, one topic, let's go. Did you know that you can speed up or slow down YouTube videos? It's done through the settings button within the video on your desktop screen. With that said, let's get the fun stuff out of the way first. Slow down any video to half speed to make the presenter sound like they are drunk.
We all want our YouTube channels to grow in an upwards trajectory.
And I'm pretty sure you can guess what it sounds like at double speed.
But how do we get them to grow like this? Let's take a look.
So obviously there is fun to be had, but what practical benefits are there? Well, if you're wanting to watch a very long video, say a lecture or a podcast, where the visuals aren't too important, you can speed up the video to 1.5 or double speed, and you should be able to follow it if you concentrate.
Podcast episode. We have a great topic for you guys today with Mrs. Jessica Stansberry. How are you, Jessica?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing better than I deserve, so thank you for hanging out with us.
Playback speed can also be adjusted on mobile devices through the 3 dots in the top right of the screen, so have a play either for fun or practical use. If you would like us to cover a topic in 60 seconds, let us know in the comments below. And to take advantage of the vidIQ tool to get more views in less time, download the Chrome extension today. A link is in the description. As always, like, subscribe, enjoy the rest of your video making day. Bye for now.